Hey, good morning, friends. This is Sriharsha from Crazy Money with Trade. Today is 9th of April, and let's see what's happening in the market and what is that you need to do and how you need to place your trading decisions. If you're still not a part of my YouTube channel, go ahead, like this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications. So let's get started, guys. What exactly is happening in the market and what happened yesterday? After a good move, there has been a resistance around 14,950, which you have seen, and it pulled the prices down. It was mainly not the Nifty, it was mainly the Bank Nifty which pulled the price down. Now we need to see how we are going to hold on to this. At this point of time, I don't see any major negative factor as the whole thing has now shifted towards the earnings, because all these while, yeah, there is night curfew which has been imposed, which is already known. It's nothing new which is there. And there, if you look at the US market, has been making record new highs every single day. And the biggest news is in the European markets. After doing the vaccination and all, the infections have come down and they are actually doing better. So that is a very interesting story. So let's actually see what actually is happening. Where is the support and resistance for today? So today we are looking at support at the same level which I shared with you yesterday. 14,750, 14,800. If at all we come down there, I think we should actually bounce back from there. And the resistance is going to be at 14,950 to 15,000. See, 15,000 crossing is a little challenge. 15,000, 15,050 is actually a very important hurdle to be crossed. But overall, looks like we should be able to start moving higher. But I think market may still be volatile. Market is not still ready for actually giving a one-sided kind of a view. But overall, actually, bulls are slowly started to take control. And if I have to look at this, this is the main worry, which is a bank nifty. But I think 32,800, 33,000, this is going to act as an important support at this point of time. And as long as it is going to stay above 32,500 and above, I think we are slowly started to improvise here. And the resistance is going to be 33,300 to 33,500. Above this, I think it has the potential to move higher. It will gain some strength. The biggest challenge is going to be 34,000 and 34,500 for Bank Nifty. After that, Bank Nifty will gain a lot of strength, and it's going to also support Nifty in a big way. So currently, what is happening is from Monday onwards, we have the earning season starting. We have TCS results coming, then the Wipro result, then the Infosys results. All these results are actually awaited, and it is expected that anyway the quarter two has to be very good. The previous quarter has gone very well according to what I see, and from that perspective we should see some very good movements coming in because of that. So look at this, we have made record new highs on S&P, Dow Jones, and even the Nasdaq started actually moving higher, which is a very interesting thing. Even the small cap indices have moved quite a lot, and the VIX has started drifting below the 18 points, which uh, has all the potential to move towards the 12, which is the next important level for actually VIX, which is an interesting story because there is no reversal, and this is happening, which should actually give you a very significant up move according to what I see. Let's see about the European markets are also doing pretty well. All of them have closed positive, and they are doing record new highs every single day. Looking at the futures, we are probably going to get a flattish kind of a opening. So let's see how it's going to happen. I don't expect any major downside to happen. It could open flat is what I can see. So let it open and let's see about what is happening. And if I have to look at what has happened yesterday, the data for construction PMI has been good from the European market. And at the same time, the jobless claims have been bad in the US market, but I think it's okay because Biden has actually already proposed a $2 trillion infrastructure project. It is going to get a lot of these jobs back, so that should be pretty fine. So overall, that is what is happening, and even the earnings season is going to start in the U.S. market also in the next week, coming weeks, and I think from the next week itself it starts. So there also we should start seeing some major results coming in. Now for the gold, so we are at an important level which is 1750. If it can hold 1750, it has a potential to go towards 1780, and let's see if that is going to happen. Then it may gain some strength. But if it fails to do that, then it has the potential to move further down. And if I have to look at the crude oil, I have been telling you for crude oil. Every time it goes to $60, $61, here it has a lot of resistance, and from here it has the potential to move down. And once it has to start actually going below 58, $57, that is where it will gain a lot of negative factor and it will start coming down. The good news is bond yields have started actually coming down, which is a very interesting thing. So with this happening after the RBI statement and FOMC statement and all, I think the volatility in the market should slowly start coming down. And now the major hurdle for Nifty is 15,000, 15 and 15,200. This is the major hurdle. Once we are able to break this, I think market has the potential to regain its all-time high and then actually start giving a bigger move from here. So after the consolidation, the move which is going to come has a very good potential to give a very big upturn. The biggest challenge right now is about the US dollars. After the bond purchase program of RBI, it has impacted very badly on the rupee. Rupee has actually got weakened a lot and the dollar has got strengthened. So this is the only worry right now which is there. But if this is going to cool off, I think there is no, because now this is going to create the volatility in the market. But if this is going to cool off, I think everything should be fine. So let's wait for some more time and how actually it's going to work. Otherwise, overall, most of the negative factors are more probably factored in, and we should start seeing an up move coming up from here. So that's what is my view. If you are actually liking the information I'm sharing with you here, go ahead, like this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you tomorrow with the next video. Thank you very much, guys. Have